Now, the vote chori charge and the fight, it has escalated as the EC has now hit back at Rahul Gandhi, calling those charges as fabricated. They have now said that provide the evidence, and this is as far as the 8-minute attack on EC by Rahul Gandhi is concerned. Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, too has hit back, where he has reiterated the poll fraud charge, refusing to drop the data atom bomb, and has now rather released a new video targeting the Election Commission, where Rahul Gandhi seems to be threatening the EC again, saying that saza milegi threat to EC, where he seems to be escalating the fight against the poll body. However, when it comes to this recent escalation now is concerned, Election Commission meanwhile has also hit out at Rahul Gandhi.
चुनाव के नतीजे। नमस्कार, मैं राजनीतिक परिवार में पैदा हुआ। जब मैं छोटा सा था 1980 में प्रियंका और मैं घर में लेई बनाते थे, रात को निकलकर पोस्टर चिपकाते थे। चुनाव समझता हूं। 20 साल से मैं स्वयं चुनाव लड़ रहा हूं। पोलिंग कैसे होती है, पोलिंग बूथ कैसे मैनेज किया जाता है, वोटर लिस्ट, फॉर्म 17, ये सब मैं गहराई से समझता हूं। कुछ समय पहले हमें दाल में काला लगा। चुनाव के नतीजे आते थे, मूड एक तरीके का होता था, रिजल्ट दूसरे तरीके का। मुझे याद है उत्तराखंड में हम चुनाव हारे। बाद में मैंने कैंडिडेट से पूछा कि जहां रोड शो हुआ था वहां जाके देखिए हमें कितने वोट मिले। हजारों लोग आए थे, पोलिंग बूथ में किसी ने वोट नहीं किया। ये असंभव था, ये हो ही नहीं सकता। उसके बाद छत्तीसगढ़ और मध्य प्रदेश के रिजल्ट, हमें लगा कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो रहा है। 2018 में मध्य प्रदेश में चुनाव होता है, हम जीतते हैं। हमारी सरकार चोरी हुई थी। 2023 में चुनाव होता है, मैंने अपने आंखों से भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में देखा, भयंकर एंटी इनकम्बेंसी, और हमें 65 सीट मिलते हैं। इम्पॉसिबल, हो ही नहीं सकता। और फिर महाराष्ट्र।
Well, let's get in a word from Nyamika as well. Nyamika, good morning. The vote chori charge that has been leveled by Rahul Gandhi, the Election Commission or the electoral body of the 3 states that we are looking at, whether be it Maharashtra, whether be it Karnataka, there has been also as far as in Haryana is concerned, he has been repeating those claims. But the body says, and he has reiterated, that if Rahul Gandhi continues to repeat his claims on oath, declaring them to be, as far as when we speak of such kind of issues, Nyamika, that Rahul Gandhi has been raising, EC or the poll body has asked him to either withdraw those fabricated charges or to present evidence.
Well, yes, indeed. As yesterday, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has given a detailed explanation over the allegations which he is continuously putting upon the Election Commission of India of doing vote chori in various states. As for that matter, he had also explained about how the manner in which he was saying that on one seat in the state of Karnataka, during the general elections, there was some rigging which was being done by the Election Commission of India, not just in the general elections, but also he had explained about one of the assembly in Bangalore central seat of the Karnataka state regarding this entire matter, in which he has stated that how more than 1 lakh votes have been rigged during the assembly elections as well. As for that reason, he has given certain explanation as well, in which he has mentioned about the fake voters, as well as the manner in which fake addresses were also being mentioned in the voter roll. Also, he has mentioned about the Form 6 where he was basically saying that there were many of the people who were between the age group of 70 to 90 whose name was also being present in that particular list. So all of these allegations have been leveled against the Election Commission of India by Rahul Gandhi. But on the other side, if we talk about the Election Commission's response, then they have also given an open challenge to Rahul Gandhi by saying that either he should file an affidavit and declare the oath regarding all these allegations which he is putting on the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, he has to take back all these claims which he is making as regarding the election rigging which he is claiming is being done in various states, whether it is Karnataka, Haryana or Maharashtra, to which now yesterday also it was the senior lawyer and the Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Kapil Sibal, who was once in the Congress party. He also had a press conference. However, he has explained that the Election Commission's claim is absolutely wrong, because this particular rule which they are quoting is basically applied only
So is
when
this the
there
proof
is
that Rahul Gandhi was talking about? Because he's now accused the Election Commission directly of actively obstructing scrutiny into such anomalies, alleged anomalies. He says that the Election Commission has refused to share digital copies of the voter rolls, has changed the rules to restrict access to CCTV footage from the polling booths. However, the EC has also responded to Rahul Gandhi and his charges. Now,